This is Leyla Torres of origamispirit.com. In this video, you will learn how to make a rooster. It is a container and also it is an action matter. It crows. This is a 7 by 7 inch paper, 18 by 18 centimeters, red on one side, white on the other side. Start with the color of the beak facing up. In this case, red, and the body will be white. Fold in half. Rotate and repeat. This time we leave it folded. Bring it to a vertical position. Now we are going to make a fold from this corner, upper left corner, to the center on the right. Same on the back. Now we bring this left edge to align with the sloping edge. Crease. And same on the back. This to align with this. We have this. We are going to make a pinch mark halfway between the center and the top corner. Pinch mark. We are going to rotate. We are going to make a fold starting at that pinch mark to this edge, and the guideline will be making a right angle here. Now we are going to make another fold that starts right at that point. It's going to go along here to this right edge, and this folded edge will touch this corner. This corner will go almost to this edge. Unfold both previous folds. Rotate. And now we are going to work on the area of the head. Insert our finger between the layers, and we're going to press from here an inside reverse fold. Follow the folds that we already have there. Notice this distance. The next fold begins a little left of the center. It's going to go from the top edge down to about here, but it's going to be a reverse fold. We're going to press from here, leaving some of the red to be visible for the crest, and at the same time making sure that we see the beak. To change the color of the beak, we are going to spread the layer open. There is a double layer right at the beak. This layer that has a raw edge, we're going to just press it down, and we cover the white area. So we repeat it on the back. Right now the beak is white. We take that layer, just a single layer there, that we just spread and press it down. And then now we have a red beak. We have a fold along here. We are going to reverse that fold. So press from this edge this is a mountain, this edge is a mountain, we are going to make it into a valley fold to reverse it, and this is a valley fold, we make it into a mountain fold. Following a fold that we have here, we bring this flap up, all layers, and we notice that we have a letter V here. We are going to make that V a little smaller. Actually, what will happen is that we make a fold from this corner out to here, just a very short angle. I place my left index finger here, and this flap sweeps a little bit to the left. Notice that I have a much smaller V letter here. And notice that this angle is very small, only from here to here. Fold to the back, following the same crease. Come right back. Now we are going to briefly open and spread the paper, and we are going to fold along that crease that we have there. So first, fold from one side, from the other, walk your fingers to the center. This will become a valley fold. And once we have there, we just press this together, and this fold will reverse into valley folds. If we open, we are going to see another V shape, and this is the bottom of the V. The fold will begin at that bottom of the V and will end up right here at this corner, as far as it goes, right here. So turn it over, and we follow the same fold. This time is easier because we just trace what we did on the other side. We are going to unfold, and we are going to inside reverse fold. That means that we press from here and reverse. Same on the back. Now we are going to make a fold from this edge up to this edge. Look at this distance. The fold will begin about there, right above the center. Here, if we look at this distance, the fold will begin about the center. Same on the back. We just trace what we have there. Unfold and inside reverse fold. Again, pressing from this edge. Press in, following the folds that we have there. Same here. Press from the bottom. Now we'll make a fold connecting this corner to this corner, inside. from here down to here and up to here. This edge is going to be a little beyond this edge. Notice how this section is a little round. And we do the same on the back. Press. We make this edge align with this. Notice the angle. Now we can blunt this corner by folding down or simply by making it curled to one side and the other. If you press right here, it curls. So from above it will look like this, and from the side it has just a nice round shape. Or you can go all the way the lines will be more straight. This is to taste, whatever you prefer. Now we blunt these corners. We have two flaps. So we can fold to the outside first and then to the inside. More on the vertical than on the horizontal. This rooster is an action matter. It can crow. The beak will move up if we press here. We can also leave it like this, flat, or we can use it as a container. Insert your finger. Another option is to make a valley fold here. Bring a little bit of this edge to match this edge by pulling in here. Bring the edges to match, then you pull up and we can enlarge the red area and make the wings appear to be flapping. For more ideas, read our related blog post at origamispirit.com.